All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is the first foldable of section 6-7. I know we went over this during class, but there's a lot of people absent, so I wanted to go over it again. So this is chapter 6, section 7, inverse relations and functions. So our first one we have here, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a little better, is find the inverse of the relation given. So the relation we have here is our f of x here. So we have to find our inverse of x. So the inverse of f of x. The way that looks like is like this. We have it looks like you're taking f to the negative first power of x. So this is the way our inverse is going to look. So we're going to look for another relationship, still of x and y. But we're going to go ahead and look for it here. So just a little bit of definition. So if xy is the ordered, change that, looks kind of bad, ordered pair of the relationship, then yx is its inverse. So it's just basically saying if you have xy, so xy, switching the two, the yx would be the inverse of this. So that would be the inverse of f of x. So then we can see here, this one here, going right like this, we can do that. So this one here, notice that -3 for the x and -2 for the y is our first point of relation, comma, therefore. So therefore, like I said, we just have to switch them, right? So therefore, comma. So then we write that -2, comma, -3 is an ordered, I forgot, I always spell ordered, pair of the inverse. So we already know that the first one's going to be -2, -3. Because we just basically switch them. So our second pair that we have is -1, 2, not -2, just 2. So if we were to switch that, we would have 2, comma, -1. So 2, -1. Next one is 0, 4. So it would be 4, 0. 4, 0, and the last one is 2, 5, 2, 5, and it goes to 5, 2, 5, 2.